Let's look at our favorite part, algebra. Let's see. Amy and Joe are asked to pick values for the numbers p, q, and r so that the following is true for all a. Okay, so what do we have here? What is that? We have a, that is a number that is taken to, for example, a power of p, and we have few of them, and then we have the outcome. Okay, so what do we need to do? Amy picked three values that were all the same, meaning value of P and Q and R are the same, so the same power. Write down the values of P, Q, and R that Amy picked. Okay, let's say you are in the exam looking at that and saying, oh, I don't know how to solve that. But what do you recognize here? That this has to do with powers with indices. So you go to your table where you have the formulas, page 21, that has to do with powers. And you are saying, do I have a formula that tells me what to do in this type of situation? And you can see here that you actually do have a formula kind of look like that, is it not? It's not full, but it look like that, meaning that yes, we have that beginning. So in that beginning, I know there is no multiplication sign, but that's what we have. What happened with these values, the powers? They add up, isn't it? So that means P and Q and R together. So if I add up these values, I'm going to get 12. So 3 numbers added is equal 12. There could be a lot of numbers that I can add. However, they all have to be of the same value because we are told that the three values, the P and the Q and the R, are the same number. So what 3 numbers added will give me 12? 4 indeed. Okay, and then the second part of this question. So here we have Joe. Joe picked 3 values that were all different. Write down possible values of P, Q, and R that Joe might have picked. So now in this part, we are saying each of the numbers have to be different. So what 3 numbers can I add in order to get 12? And we can get a lot of different combination. Let's say 1 and... sorry, I had to think for a moment. What number can be added to 1 and 5 and 6 together will make 12? Or for example, 10 and 2. So that means, let's say 10 can be written as 6, 4, and 2. Yeah. So actually there is quite a big number of combination that we can fill in here, and it will be true as long as they all add up to 12.